aren't they? Alex Chimple. How are you, Mr. Chimple?
Aye, aye.
What you got there then?
My souped up.
Yeah, souped up.
Yeah, look at that.
It's not. Hang on a minute. It's not on fire, that one.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
It is quite.
Are you on fire though?
Yeah, it's bloody hell, yeah. Bloody hell, yeah.
Did you have any wine last night, Charlie?
A little bit, yeah.
No, what's that? A bottle?
3/4.
3/4. All right. Some would argue that's a bit excessive. Not you though, eh?
No, bloody hell.
No, yeah. Wolf.
I don't like going that way, to be honest.
Don't you? What was that?
Car park.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you've had a bad experience on there, haven't you?
A few.
Yeah, a few. Yeah.
I can lob it that way.
Oh yeah.
Reckon?
Oh, just go that way. Be done with it.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Rasp. Right, all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wind there, is there? I'm a double Salco with a triple loop. Oh my good gold. Oh. Dear oh dear, Alex. No.
Talking about somebody else's thumbs, you know.
Yeah. He says that and then he stuffs it. He stuffed it completely. You just said that is quite funny. That is quite funny. You said there's nothing to stop me today. I think I've got somebody else's thumbs. I know whose thumbs you've got. Patrick Moore's. What was that?
I don't know.
Hey! Right, you've nearly killed some people actually as well.
Did I?
Yeah. Yeah, you nearly killed some golfers. You've,
God.
There's nothing stopping me today. I'll have to go back over that footage. I think you said something like, there's nothing stopping me today. I think I've got somebody else's thumbs.
Yeah.
I need to go over that, and I might replay it a couple of times. It's busted the normal spot, isn't it, at the back of the tail?
Yeah, looks like it. We're 2 weeks by anyway, that may accept. I'll have to get on to Hobby King about that.
Yeah. Well, you should put your CV in, Alex, to be honest. I could put your CV in about 5 minutes of video. And
Okay.
put in, do you want a crash tester from Charlie?
Okay, yeah.
And then send that in like that. Yeah?
Yeah, okay. I should do it.
Yeah. Right then, that was 644 yards. Whew. Oh, blimey. Oh, there's stuff hanging out of that. Oh my God. Oh my God, Charlie. That is quite... Look at the batteries here. Gordon Bennett, I'll tell you what, that's where it went in. Look at that.
Hey?
Oh, you nearly darted it. That's a shame. That's actually landed there. Hey? Bouncing AXL. That is... Yeah, I'd send that back.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be happy with that. I wouldn't be happy with that, to be honest.
Look at it there. You're telling me a plane can't take that little bit of a...
I know, it's a
bit of a knock.
I know, yeah, that's poor, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
I just don't know, you know. Crikey.
It's not on fire.
No, it's dry as well,
Yeah?
which is always pleasant.
Poor build quality that is.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the state of that. It's not even hard here, is it? Not that it's on concrete.
I know. God,
Letting it go again?
I hope there'll be a strongly worded letter, Alex. Right. Yeah. Let that go again. Right.
God, that was fucking...
Yeah? Oh, what?
The nipples are that big.
Were they? Did you get your tape measure out, did you?
Well, it just fit into my mouth.
Oh, right, okay. The old scramble wheel nuts.
Oh, it's that poo there.
Oh, that would have been the... I think if you'd done that, you'd have had to buy another bottle of wine on the way home, I think.
Oh, God.
Get in there. Get in the bloody boot, you son of a bitch.
Fucking soft plane.
Yeah, that's a letter is an order of the day there. What you playing at, sending shit out like this?
So when you did that first big hoop,
Good flying, I'll tell you what, some good bloody gear there.
I was going out.
Yeah.
Bit of that.
That was a long way out, that was.
So what actually happened then?
Lost orientation, I think.
So when you just take the power off?
Lost power to my brain as well.
Lost signal to the brain. So,
I'll get some elastics on this one as well, I think.
Charlie the Chimp's going to attempt the quickest rebuild in history. Ain't you, Charlie?
Yep.
In the middle of a couple of coffees and a few bits and bobs. Yeah, back again. Look at that, look.
Yeah.
That is the same plane.
I'm choppy about that.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know. Sticker, loose sticker.
Yeah.
Oof, you bugger.
Put a bit of Speakman over it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh well. That's the same plane, isn't it, Alex?
It is the same plane.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going on the theory that
Yeah. Go on then.
lightning won't strike twice.
Okay.
Strike them like lightning.
You know what I mean. So,
Oh, right, you are.
not say nothing this time, just lob it up.
Okay, just keep quiet. That's the best thing. Even if you have got the thumbs, or somebody else's.
Right then.
I've got my doubts about this. To be honest, but you know.
Take it through that area.
Well, actually, I'm going to come. Yeah, I'm ready. What was that? You just take the power on. I'll tell you what, if you'd have rescued that, that would have been a very, very fine bit of aviating. You're going to need to work on that elevator, I think, maybe, Charlie. Gordon, didn't it? You have given that a right pasting today, haven't you, really? An absolute pasting. Oh, you better look at that rod, actually, before you...
Yeah, together again. Oh. I was thinking lost a wing, man.
The detachable wings, no problem there.
I think that's it now for the day on that one.
Oh, well.